Torque spec must be followed. Over-tightening nuts can cause damage to the running surface or front roller. New nylock nuts must be used when a slat is reattached or replaced. Reuse of locked nuts will result in improper clamp load of this joint. Turn off the power switch and unplug the power cord from the power source. Remove the motor cover. Remove both of the side rails. After removing the screw, slide the rail towards the rear of the treadmill. This unlocks it, allowing you to lift it off the frame. Remove the 8 screws from the accent plate. Lift and remove the plate. Repeat this step on the other side. Remove the end caps. There are 2 screws at the top. And there is a third screw that must be loosened underneath the end cap. Remove the 3 screws from each of the lower side rails. The front of this part has a plug pin that is slotted into the frame. As you remove the rail, gently pull it towards the back of the treadmill so that the plug pin aligns with the opening in the frame. You can now access the maintenance hatches in the frame. Rotate the running surface until the slat that you wish to remove is accessible through the opening. Use an 8mm socket to remove the nuts that secure the slat to the belt. If you are using a ratchet, ensure it is correctly set to loosen the hardware. Over-tightening these nuts can cause damage to the cog belt. Remove the fixing plate and set it aside. Repeat these steps on the other side. Attach the new foam pads to the slat. You will need a torque wrench to attach the replacement slat. The treadmill slat must be installed in the correct orientation. Place the new slat onto the deck, matching the direction of the other slats, and then flip it over. Slide the slat underneath the treadmill. Fit the new slat and install a fixing plate. Remember to always use new nylock nuts when you reattach or install a new slat. Begin tightening the nylock nuts with a ratchet wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten. Use a torque wrench to tighten the nuts to 3.4 to 3.9 Newton meters. Repeat these steps on the other side. While the covers are removed, check the sag distance measurement to ensure the running surface is properly tensioned. The next section will demonstrate how to take this measurement. You will need a millimeter measuring tool for this step. Locate the center support on the side of the treadmill frame. This is where you will take the measurement. Measure from the bottom of the frame to the running surface of the slat. The sag distance should be between 25mm and 30mm, and equal on both sides of the frame. If the tension is correct on both sides, no action is necessary. If the sag distance is out of this range, adjust each rear roller bolt by 1/2 to 1 full turn. If you adjust the rear roller bolts, rotate the running surface a few full rotations, and then check the sag distance measurement again. Rotating the surface allows the cog belt and cogged front roller to adjust to the new tension, which may alter the sag distance. Make sure that the sag distance is equal on both sides of the frame. The range in sag distance is there to allow for the greatest noise reduction. Some units may require 25, while others may require 30 mm to get the best possible result. Do not tension so that sag is less than 25 mm, as this puts excess strain on the rollers, and will cause damage to them. Once the running surface is properly tensioned, reverse the steps to reassemble the treadmill. As you reattach the lower side rails, be sure to install the plug pin first. You have finished running slat replacement.